Have you ever wondered why you keep some habits but drop others? Or why you meet deadlines for others but not for yourself? These questions point to your core personality. Understanding your true nature is the first step to a happier, more productive life. Not by changing who you are, but by working with your strengths. I've found that most people fit into one of 4 categories or tendencies based on how we respond to expectations: outer from others, and inner from ourselves. Knowing your tendency gives you a powerful tool for self-awareness and helps you create strategies that fit you. Ready to discover yours? Let's begin. Please like, share, and subscribe for more. Here's a quick quiz. For each question, pick the answer that sounds most like you. Keep track of your choices. Question 1. When making New Year's resolutions, do you A. Need a friend to join you, B. Stick to them on your own, C. Only do what you want, D. Feel overwhelmed and rarely make them? Question 2. If a friend asks for an inconvenient favor, do you A. Say yes immediately, B. Say yes out of commitment, C. Say no if you don't want to, D. Say yes but feel resentful? Question 3. If your doctor tells you to exercise, do you A. Find a workout buddy, B. Start a routine and track progress, C. Only do it if you enjoy it, D. Struggle to start? Question 4. How do you feel about rules and deadlines? A. Need them for others, B. Set your own, C. Resist them, D. Feel trapped by them? Question 5. Learning a new skill, do you A. Tell others for accountability, B. Schedule practice, C. Practice when inspired, D. Struggle to practice? Question 6. At work, are you most productive when A. A team counts on you, B. You have clear goals, C. You believe in the mission, D. You have step-by-step instructions? Question 7. When given unsolicited advice, do you A. Listen politely, B. Consider it, C. Feel annoyed, D. Question their motives? Question 8. Which phrase fits you? A. I'll do it if you do it, B. I do what I say, C. I do what I want, D. I'll do it but don't tell me to? Question 9. When you let yourself down, do you A. Feel worse letting others down, B. Get frustrated, C. Not care much, D. Feel rebellious? Question 10. For taxes, do you A. Do them to avoid penalties, B. Do them early, C. Do them when you want, D. Procrastinate? Count how many times you chose A, B, C, or D. Your most frequent letter reveals your dominant tendency. Don't worry if you're a mix, most people are, but one pattern is usually strongest. If you're tied, read both descriptions in the next section and see which fits you best, especially under stress. Here's the key. Mostly A's, obliger B's, upholder C's, rebel D's, questioner. Now let's explore what each tendency means. Here's what your tendency says about you. Upholder B. You meet both inner and outer expectations. Disciplined, reliable, but can be rigid. Motto: discipline is my freedom. Questioner D. You question all expectations and need reasons. Analytical, but can get stuck overthinking. Motto: I'll comply if you convince me why. Obliger A. You meet outer expectations but struggle with your own. Reliable for others but need accountability for yourself. Motto: You can count on me, and I'm counting on you to count on me. Rebel C. You resist all expectations. Value freedom and authenticity, but can frustrate others and yourself. Motto: You can't make me, and neither can I. Understanding your tendency helps you work with your strengths, not against them. It's not a label, but a guide to building a life that fits you. Think about how this shows up in your daily life. Notice where you thrive and where you struggle. This awareness is the first step to positive change. Now let's see how to use this knowledge. Ready? Knowing your tendency is just the start. Use it to create habits and systems that play to your strengths. Obligers, find accountability. Questioners, set deadlines for research. Rebels, focus on identity and choice. Upholders, practice flexibility. This framework also helps you understand others, leading to more empathy and better relationships. Share your results and talk about them with friends and family. The more you understand yourself and others, the easier it is to build a happier, more productive life. Embrace your tendency and use it as a tool for growth. Share your results with friends and family, and join our community for more insights. Welcome to your journey of self-discovery.